Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this loaded pink cake with some chocolates that we mold from home and macarons. For the chocolate I've used a waffle silicone mold. This is just melted white chocolate. I've added in a little bit of oil just so that it can be a little bit thinner and easier to cut later on into shape. Give it a good wriggle and then allow it to set overnight, or you can pop it into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. For the gold macarons, I'm adding the macarons into a Ziploc bag with some edible gold dust. Give it a good toss to coat and then your macarons should be nice and golden. Now that our chocolate has set completely, remove them gently from the silicone mold and then using a super hot knife, I've just dipped it into some boiling hot water, gently cut through your chocolate. I cut it down to this size and then I had to cut it even further because it ended up being a little bit too tall for the project. But while that's all ready to go, we're going to start building our cake. This is a marbled mud and I've got dark chocolate ganache frosting in the middle. I like to use 2 cakes cut in half so that we have a cake that is about 5.5 inches in height. And this is a 7-inch cake that we've used here. You'll want to go over with a crumb coat, pressing any of that ganache that's on the sides up against the cake, and then going on with the same color that you're going to be using for your final coat. Smooth out the sides, bring that lip of frosting towards the middle, and then refrigerate. If you guys are interested in cake decorating classes, we are running them, plus there's lots of recorded classes now available. I'll leave the link in the description box for you. For the final coat, I've just chosen pink buttercream. I've colored this with soft pink gel food color by Chef Master. Smooth out the sides, again just bringing that lip of frosting towards the middle. And then you can refrigerate it if you like, or just go straight on with your white chocolate ganache. I've tinted mine pink with that same soft pink gel food color. The way that I create my drips is I create a nice big controlled puddle right on the top. I stop piping when it's about 1/2 centimeter or so away from the edge, and then I create the drips like this so I can control where they fall and how long they are. This is the next day. My drip has set in the fridge. I'm now applying all the decorations. So I'm going to be using a 1M piping tip to create the little star dollops, and then attaching all my decorations to that fresh piped buttercream. To help to support the chocolates to stand, I ended up having to add little macarons behind it. It was pretty heavy, but it still looked good in the end, I think. Add some onto the sides as well, and then fill in with gold dusted Malteser chocolates or edible gold dragées. And there's your fun loaded cake. You can add some gold leaf here if you like for even extra pizzazz. But anyway, hope you liked it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you do recreate this, I would love to check it out. # Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can see your beautiful creations too. And we'll catch you again in the next one. Don't forget that there are those classes available and I'll have those linked in the description box for you.